Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We've done extensive work on the bridge and on the road. But we're at a crossroad where to get a real financing out of that kind of a project, we need to be very, very creative. But we thank God because we have reached, the last final dot of the construction. Our commitment is that within this first quarter, meaning that by the end of March or April, we should break grounds to start the construction of the fourth mainland bridge. It's going to be built in phases. The phase one will be from the junction at Babajide all the way to the waterfront that we have at Babajide, right? And I'm using this opportunity to also say that we have done extensive studies. So you cannot get a new road without needing to do a bit of discomfort. But we will ensure that we compensate everybody that their property or their businesses will be disturbed by this new construction. But it's going to be along existing corridors. So there will be few buildings that will touch, but I want to assure you that not only will the landlord pay the full compensation, places will have tenants as well too. We'll ensure that we also compensate them and ensure that nobody is unduly, taking advantage of. So that will be the first thing. The first two of it will be the bridge crossing, which will be from the waterfront in Ado all the way to the in Oludu. And the third phase will now take us through all the way to Telewa Junction, all the way from Jesse. And eventually, if it is this government and another government, will take it all the way to Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. That is how the fourth mainland bridge is a total of 37 kilometers will meander all throughout Lagos. But we've broken it down into phases so that we can take the water, we can take a bit of so that we can take it in doses that we can measure it, and each of the places will be open for traffic management, so for transportation and benefit, and people can begin to do. And it's not anything new. For some of you that remember, when the federal government was building the third mainland bridge, they didn't do third mainland bridge from all the way up to Komorosoki. We did it and we did a first picture and went on to IBAKATV-YORUBAPLAY, and that federal government, before they came back again and did from IBAKATV all the way to Komorosoki. And so that's the kind of smart development that we want to do. We don't want to give excuses, but we want to start and want to start at destiny so that the Russians can indeed know that the fourth mainland bridge is real and it's something that they will begin to enjoy in the days, in the months, and the years ahead.